I don't like answering the door for strangers, and it might be because of past trauma. Like the time a man chased me to my door. Or maybe it's because every time someone knocks, they want a favor, and I'm all out of those. 2 days ago, my neighbor knocked, and I refused to answer. I didn't know her, and although she seemed desperate, she wasn't screaming for help. Just aggressively knocking for 3 minutes straight. As it turns out, she had an earring back stuck in her ear and needed help. She made sure to tell my husband in the elevator how rude it was of me not to even crack the door open. My husband was baffled and brushed it off, but now there's been a lot of banging coming from her side of the wall, where my baby sleeps. This was never an issue before, and I'm wondering if what I did was enough reason for her to be this angry. Should I apologize?